Good afternoon, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 25th, 2023, 12:37 p.m. And what I have today is a new in-box NuTone Verandah Deluxe. I shouldn't say new in box, it is new. The box did not come with it, nor did it come with any blades. So these are blades I usurped from another Verandah Deluxe. Why didn't I use the white blades, you may ask? Because the screws were not long enough to accommodate the grommets. So, used a set off of one of my polished brass verandas. It does come with the paperwork, and NuTone referred to their ceiling mounted fans as paddle fans, not ceiling fans. And those are my commercial, okay, that's my Prolon one. Hardware bag. And it also came with the dangler for the showroom. Now this fan isn't in perfect shape. It sat in the cellar the seller of the fan had it in the cellar of her house, and it was her mother's house, and it had been sitting down there, and I begged, to find the blades for it, but the blades were long gone, I guess, so probably why it was never installed. Anyway, it has the original tassel. So a little bit of scuffing here and there from sitting, and then I've had it for like the last 6 or 7 years in my cellar. Well, actually, no, I've had it in my cellar, the storage unit, now in my garage. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. It's your typical 2-speed NuTone motor with fast and adjustable. The adjustable, you can be either sort of a medium setting or all the way down to slow, very slow. All right, and I'll zoom in on its various accoutrements. Here's the tag. And the original tassel. Switch cap, which unfortunately has a little bit of scuffing on it. And the variable speed knob, which is actually removable. The very distinctive blade brackets. And here's the top of the motor. the ornate sideband. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.